My secret of $1.4 million wins in football betting. Hello guys, welcome back again to the Roladel business. Yeah, you already know that we always give you very accurate tips to make money online, and today we have a very popular strategy to win your bets every day without any stress. Yes, most of you guys are requesting a new strategy to win bets. Yes, a new strategy to win big, and this strategy is going to help you a lot. If only you concentrate and you follow the step I'm about to show you in this video very well. You will not win every day with this strategy without learning. If this is the first time for you to visit Roladel business channel, all you have to do is to just subscribe now and click on notification below so that anytime I post a new update about making money online, you get the video and you watch and you move on. Without wasting much time, as we have family here, we always have each other's back, and if you don't understand something, all you have to do is to bring your comment under the comment section below so that we move on to the next level, as you already know. So today we are going to give you the strategy. Just concentrate, just be with me here and just watch the video to the end so that you would understand everything step by step, because I'm going to teach you everything step by step. Wait, before I continue, if you want to make money online by watching YouTube videos like this one you're watching now, check the first link in the description below. Now, there is an application which I've already introduced for you before, and this application name is tip724.com. All you need to do is go to your web browser and type tip724.com, and you're going to get a very beautiful website like this one you're seeing on your screen now. I was going through my research before I came across this website, and this website really helps me. If you know this website and follow everything I'm about to show you here, then your winning bets every day is sure. Most of the people who are selling VIP tips are using this website to achieve their goal, and I'm going to expose it for you. So don't waste time subscribing to Roladel Business so that we can do research and bring you new tips, new websites, and new strategies that we use to win bets every day. With this website, you're going to win every day, and I'm going to show you this idea and strategy that I use to win bets every day. I really like using this website for my prediction because it's really good and it really helps me for my prediction. So after visiting tip724.com homepage, like this is how it looks like. You can see that they have free bets and tips, and you have the latest free tips available here. They have many different prediction tips inside the website for you guys, and what I really like and I want to show you on this website is that they predict correct score. All I want from you now is to just be with me. Follow the step one by one for you to understand what I'm going to show you here, because if you understand me very well, you will win every day even without betting. So today on this website, we are focusing on only the correct score, but we are not going to predict the correct score. If you open this website, you will find a different way of predicting your bets or predicting your matches. They predicted plenty of different ways, but we are focusing on their popularity because most of the correct scores really happened. The reason why I'm saying that we are focusing on the correct score, even though we are not going to predict exactly, is that for the correct score, even if the actual goals that we have predicted for the match wouldn't happen, then the winning thing or the score is going to happen in the way. Like if they predicted for the home team to score 2 goals against their away team and it couldn't happen for 2-1, then it could have been 1 goal for the home team. That means surely the home team has to win the game. So this is the strategy we are going to use, and I will show you how it goes very soon. Keep watching. So let's go to their score and let me show you the reason why we are focusing on the correct score. Now if you open the correct score page, this is how it looks like. So you can see that they have predicted plenty of correct scores for today's matches, and it's almost all the matches that are playing today. They have an accurate score, almost all the available matches today, or they are playing today. This website has predicted the correct score, and they did an accurate prediction because, for example, when you open one match like this, you can find 4 different ways that this website has predicted for the match for different predictions. You can see that for the full time they have predicted for the home team to win, and they have predicted that both teams are going to score goals, which means if both teams are going to score goals, then over 1.5 is going to happen. Very simple and easy to understand. So if both teams are scoring the goal, then it might be 2-1 against the away team, or 3-1 against the away team. This is the first thing that you have to know. So let's go back to the correct scores. I want to explain this for you here to understand. You can see that they have predicted different correct scores over here. Let's start from the first match. You can see Napoli versus this team, Italy in Serie A. They were predicted for this match, and their score was ranged at 3 3-1, that means Napoli is going to beat the away team 3-1. Listening to me carefully, this is what I want you to understand. If Napoli is going to score against the team 3-1 in the match, then what I want you to understand is that there is no doubt that Napoli is going to lose. This is because you have to focus if you want to choose a winning team or a draw game or home or draw game for a match on this website. Focus on the correct score. If this website predicts for a team and the goals are more than 2.5, then it is actually at a high percentage for the actual predicted team to win the game at the end of the match. So you can see that they have predicted for Napoli 3-1 against each other, and if Napoli is going to score this number, then you can see that Napoli must score 2.5 goals. That means Napoli must score 3 goals and the away team will score 1 goal. If Napoli scored 3 goals and they're waiting to score 1 goal, then we are having 3.5 over 3.5 goals to happen in this game. That is what the website is saying to us. That means that we're going to have over 3.5 goals to happen in this game. Okay, so to consider that 3.5 is going to happen in this game against their waiting, then it is 99% for Napoli to win the game against them. Very simple. I hope you understand what I'm trying to tell you. So in conclusion, all you have to do is to look for an already predicted game and use the strategy to predict your own game. You bet and win every day when you use the strategy. So don't forget to subscribe to Roladel Business if these tips and strategies are really good. And I think they really are beneficial to you. And our goal is on this channel is to teach you how to make money online legitimately. So you're going to be benefited. Thanks for watching and bye for now.